Hello everyone. Today I will be doing a math lesson on order of operations, and in front of me I have three ground rules I've laid out. So the first rule I have is do inside parentheses first. Second rule is do multiplication and division left to right. And last but not least is add, subtract left to right. Now these rules are pretty much essential to do these types of problems, and so I'm going to get started with the first problem. So the first problem I have is 4 times 5 minus 4. So what you want to do is do the multiplication first rather than subtract. So you want to do left to right. So 4 times 5 equals 20. Then you want to bring down your minus 4. And that should give you 16 as your answer. Now that's pretty simple. However, I know a lot of young students tend to make mistakes when it comes to these types of problems. They'll do something like 4 times 5 minus 4. I know a lot of people tend to do, subtraction first. They'll do something like 5 minus 4, which equals 1. Then they'll do, 4 times 1 equals 4, and which is wrong. This is why you want to follow these rules, and a lot of people tend to make mistakes like this. Okay, so the second problem I'm gonna do is 10 plus 7 times 4. Now again, multiplication comes first. You want to do 7 times 4, which equals 28. Then bring down your 10, add, and your answer will be 38. Again, pretty simple to follow. Third problem I have is so for this problem, I have 18 divided by 2 in parentheses. I have times 6 divided by 3 in parentheses. So you want to start with doing left to right again. You want to do 18 divided by 2, which should give you 9. Bring down your x. 6 divided by 3, which equals 2. And then all that's left to do is multiply. 9 times 2, which equals 18. Now for this problem, I have a little bit more going on here. So what I want to start off by doing is you want to do what's in parentheses first. You want to do 20 minus 3, which equals 17. You want to bring down your plus 8, and then your 5 and x. So like I said again, multiplication comes first. You want to do 5 times 17. You could do something like 5 times 10, which is 50, then 5 times 7, which is 35. So 50 plus 35 equals 85. And then you want to bring down your 8. And then all you have to do is add, which will be 93 as your final answer. Alright, this is the last problem and has a lot more going on here. So the first thing you're going to do is parentheses. So you want to do 2 times 2, which equals 4. And then you do 4 minus 3, which equals 1. So 1 here. Bring down your division sign. Then you want to look over here. And then you do here multiplication first. 3 times 6, which equals 18. And then you do 18 minus 2, which should give you 2. Then just divide. Your final answer is 2. So once again, pretty easy. Just, when it comes to order of operations, just follow these 3 rules, and you should be able to do these problems with ease.